My name is Anna Dornhaus. I'm a professor in ecology and evolutionary biology. This year, I have a new course for you, which is on complexity. And this is going to touch more on my own actual research on social insects. So what the course is about really how cool social insects are and how sophisticated their problem-solving strategies. But what's particularly interesting in my view about them is that they live in societies, and so they have a lot of parallels with our own society. Ants and bees cooperatively make decisions, they reach consensus, they divide up labor, they have communication networks. And all of those are processes that are also important in human societies. So in this course, I want to talk about how in the biological world, collective systems work. So how social insects, for example, solve problems as groups. And then we'll make the connection of how much that's actually relevant for our own society. Collective behavior, the main topic of the course, is something that usually gets tagged on. People don't think about it. People think about individual behavior more because collective behavior seems kind of distant and hard to understand. But actually, when you think about it, most interesting problems in biology and many interesting problems in human societies are about collective behavior more than they are about individual behavior. So even if we think about how our brain works, our brain is really a collective machine, lots of neurons making decisions as a group, just like ants as a colony are making decisions as a group. And just like we as humans have to make decisions as families, as societies, and across the whole human civilization. In this course, I don't want to start with the complexity. I want to start with the simplicity of how ants and bees live, what interesting things are there to know about their biology, but then we'll work our way up and talk about how these collective problem-solving strategies that we learn from social insects can really inform us about very big principles across biology and relevant for human society. If you take this course, I think what you'll get out of it is really to see the parallels among very disparate systems, or systems that seem different, like our brain, our cells, our society, and ant societies. These seem like things that have nothing to do with each other, but actually there are very broad principles that apply across all of these distributed systems and that are now also being applied in engineering and distributed computing. We're going to use an online discussion forum so that people can have longer and deeper conversations about the topics that the course is about in a written form. So I'm actually looking forward to this format, and I think you'll enjoy it too.